Guys, hello, good morning. I wanted to make this video a little bit later in the day, but I don't have much time later, so I'm just getting it out now. This is the end of week trading update, and I guess the end of month update as well. I guess in regards to FX, I'll bring that up and let's just have a look. This is more of an aggressive account, so most of my funds are actually in a managed account with Forex Briefcase, and I'll be showing you that as well. So this is disappointing on gold, but that's fine. You know, that would have been nice. I would have been really happy to see that just sort of have a run, but it didn't really, and it closed below 1900. But I had a plan on the S&P 500, and then September was pretty quiet. Well, I was aggressively playing the Aussie dollar later in the month, though, as you can see. So the 23rd was my first trade there. That trade, that sell trade actually was running pretty nicely, and I did close it a little bit later on in the piece, and it did bounce. So it's been quite wild for the Aussie dollar. So those are those trades there. S&P 500 was just a scalp, an aggressive scalp when that news came out of Donald Trump. But that actually seemed to sort of recover a little bit as well. Now, I won't go on too many tangents because I do want to keep the video concise as well. So, would have been around here, the gap down. All right, so my ETF position, that's how it's looking. So that was initially 10,000. So it's, it's so-so, to be honest. We'll see how things react come next week in regards to, Donald Trump and just everything like that. The Australian marketplace seems, pretty healthy right now in regards to the COVID situation and everything. So, we might sort of take a little bit of a tangent away from the situation in the States, which seems to be, very turbulent, and probably more so if, Donald Trump deteriorates, and, who really knows, if it's a legitimate situation. COVID is quite unpredictable in regards to how, people react to it. So it could get very uncertain. So I'd revisit the gold. I do have gold ETFs, so let's see if I can. There you go. Yeah, that's how it's looking. All right. Share portfolio. That's how it's looking. So that's CSL, Biopharma, FMG, iron ore. So that actually rallied to about 1688. So when I got in before the ex-dividend. So then a few announcements were made, this and that, and it's actually it's over 16. But I'm going to continue holding that position. Omedia has been pretty nice. That was only a $5,000 position, but that's pretty. I'm happy about that. Root Life is a China play. I believe they're a distributor of like beauty therapy or something. So again, speculative, and it's now at 27, so it's down a little bit now. So it's all right. And then Zip Pay as well. And again, that rallied to close, actually over 7. So that had quite the wild. I think it was about 1 a.m. US time when the announcement was made, and everything just fucking aggressively turned. It was just so we'll see if dip buyers want to come in. And this is this portfolio here. So as I said, it's just sort of, it is what it is. So, but it's a 12-month thing on this in regards to my time frame. So I'll just let that play out. And then stake. I use stake for international shares. Commonwealth Bank finally, or ComSec finally, got me sorted with my international share trading. So, but here are my positions on that as well. So that's it. In regards to a watch list, I'll make that. I'll probably make that in the next video. But I'm just thinking, I'm really trying to avoid. I'm trying to just sort of be detached somewhat on Sundays and not be too glued to technology. So I'll do that video right after this, guys. All right, let me go. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone had a great week and that everyone has a fantastic weekend as well.